The Savoy Hotel in Kansas City. This red brick landmark was built at the height of the railroad age. It's best known for its famous Savoy Grill, home to bootleggers and presidents. Once said to be the first hotel you could see from Union Station. Not quite today. Recently acquired by Hilton for its Tapestry Collection. Hilton still has renovation plans to restore its luxury style, but the bones of stained glass and mosaic tile remain as hints to the hotel's gilded past. The guest rooms feature contemporary comfort shaped by the building's original layout. A view toward Union Station now just sees the favored parking garage. The heart of the hotel is the Savoy Grill, one of Kansas City's most iconic dining rooms. It has welcomed presidents, business travelers, and locals for generations. It remains in its original form of atmospheric dark woods and distinctive green tile. Harry Truman's favorite booth is still here, preserved as part of the hotel's story. It was a short walk from his Kansas City haberdashery. Best to reserve ahead if you want the president's table. The elevators offer card security. A skylight view lights the basement workout gym. The grill at night reminds of its roaring 20s glory days. An intimate setting for a drink and dinner. Parking is suggested across the street with 24-hour entry and exit. The Savoy remains a Kansas City classic, a historic hotel with its next chapter still unfolding.